Yes, babalik na tayo sa open endings.
Okay.
What made you say yes to this project? Since this is supposed to be your first ever independent film project and with Cinemalaya.
What made me say yes? Actually, the question is, what would make me say no to this project? Because, like I said, dream come true siya for me. And the moment na I read the script, na-feel ko agad na yung mga gumawa ng project na to, they know what they're doing and they know exactly what they want for this project. And nakakatuwa kasi it all worked out. Parang yung casting namin apat, sobrang nagkasundo kami. There's magic when the four of us are together talaga. And kung panoorin niyo yung film namin, nakikita niyo yun. Diba, pag magkakasama kami na apat. So, nakakatuwa na it all worked out.
Hindi ko pa nga narinig na film mo to, pero